Welcome back, friends, to another video. Friends, you want to surprise your teacher on this special occasion of Teachers' Day? So, this video has covered it all. This video will provide easy and creative handmade greeting card designs, and you can make these cards by yourself. Friends, teachers have a very special place in a child's life. They significantly contribute towards the development of your little one's learnings and developments. So why not surprise your teacher with some handmade and creative greeting card designs to make them feel appreciated and special for their efforts in making the child learn and grow. So, these cards will definitely bring a smile on their faces. Viewers, if you love to show your artistic side with the help of some paper artwork, then you can try this card idea, where you can make flower cutouts along with designer tapes to make this a special card for your teacher. You can take help of your elders to make paper cutouts. Students can also use their favorite colors for their teachers to make them feel special. I think these cards are very easy and simple to make. You can just look at them and you will easily copy them. Craft a card ideas like these can bring a smile on your teacher's face. And by writing some of the best wishes for your teacher, you can make it more beautiful. So make this Teacher's Day more special by expressing your gratitude to your teacher by giving them these handmade cards. Make one for your teacher and bring a smile to your teacher's face. If you want quotes and wishes for your teachers, then I am attaching a video at the end of this video. You can watch that and then you can add those messages and wishes for your teacher on your handmade DIY card. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more stuff. So until next video, take care of yourselves. Have a nice day. Bye.